anyway, this is how my room is currently. So what did I fix? So, oh, hi, Minky. Hi, don't mess with my dog. Hi, baby. Anyway, we are going to fix my bag. And yeah. Oh, pretty good. Anyway, so we're gonna get started with this. It's not that bad because my room was losing a few weeks ago. So, yeah. Let's get started. My just broken now, so yeah, kind of broke up, but yeah. So now it's time to move my bag. So let's do that. This is your update, so I'm on my bag this way. And yeah, I'm still working on it. I think I'm almost done. My desk is done. And yeah, I want something else crazy, but yeah, so good. So good for my precious little baby. Oh, he's sassy. But yeah, this is your update. I think it's almost done cleaning my room. It's not like the best, but it's not the worst. But I changed my bed. Oh, it's like this way now, so it like towards my TV. So yeah, I was good. But you guys, in a few weeks, I'm going on a bachelorette trip. So I'm in my friend's wedding. Her name is Sage. I'll probably put her right here. This is her right here. And yeah, I'm so excited. So I've been like trying to keep my room look decent and just like make it look decent and like clean stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. Stay tuned for all the videos to come because those are gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. Cannot wait for you guys to watch them and so exciting. But that's what I've been doing and I'm almost there and yeah, catch you guys later. And yes, I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So yeah, but okay, so that's when I end up this video. The video was a little bit short, but yeah, I hope you liked it. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end up the vlog, or the video. This was such a bad video, but you know, I went to do it. I was like, oh, I'm gonna make a video of this, so yeah. But I was like, I'm gonna make a video of it, so I decided to do a little clean video. Yeah, so I'm so excited. I might do a TikTok tomorrow. I don't know yet. I don't know, but I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'll pop up a picture right here of what I'm gonna do, and I'm so excited to do them because I haven't done my nails in forever. So exciting. But my room's all clean now. It was just like my bed. I literally just like moved my bed and then like picked up with clothes, picked up my shoes and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I did. And then I moved my bed, which it looks so good now because I'm in front of my TV. So yeah. But I hope you like this video. Please click like and subscribe. And to have a conversation to see a video and go for my Instagram and link down below. So bye, peace out, see you guys in the next one. Guys, I didn't tell you probably the next video I'll probably be me shopping for the bridal shower. Yay! I'm so excited. But, bye guys. Peace out.